好，
Hello, today we are going to assemble the car bed platform. And as you can see, I have laid out all the pieces. And here is a long screw. And here is a small sharp tip screws. And here are the flat head screws. And to assemble the bed platform, as you can see, there is a hole over here. This side is a countersink hole, and this side is a flat hole. And make sure you always put the screw through the countersink hole. And so first we take this piece. You see here is a ring on the other side and two countersink hole on the back and one countersink hole at the front. So take this piece and then we take this piece. This is a two countersink hole over here and two countersink hole on the side. We turn this around. So two countersink hole, two countersink hole, and two countersink hole over here. Put the screw in. Then take another similar piece with a ring. The ring is facing outside. See, two countersink hole over here, two countersink hole over here. And here is another similar piece without the two countersink hole in the middle. Put it here. Secure it with the screws. Then we turn it over. You found this piece. There is a slot over here, two holes over here, and two holes on the side. And you put it at the back. Then another piece like this, two holes on the top, one hole on each side. And you place this this board with the handle on the top. You turn it over. There's 2 more screws. And we put in the adjustable feet. Okay, this part, you can put it aside. Then we take this piece with the blue switch and this board with the slot at the bottom, the 2 screw holes on each side. Then another similar piece with the 2 countersink hole and slot. The slot is inside. Then you take this flat board, slide it in. And the face plate. Then we turn this over. We are going to install the bracket for the support leg. You can find these sharp tips, small screws. Put at the and here's the extendable leg. You turn this way, then the leg will come out, and you can put it here. To support the drawer. We can connect these two together. Take out the rail. And you can align the rail together. And once you hear the clicking sound, press the blue switch for it to go in. At first, it might be a little bit hard to push to the back, but once it's in, then it will be smooth. You might have to use a little bit force to push it in, like this. Also, if you want to take out the drawer, you just press the blue switch, and there is a black tip over here. Press this at the same time, then you can take out the drawer. Also, if the rail got stuck, you can adjust the switch over here, put it to the middle, then it will slide it back. If in the downside, this rail will not move. So you put it to the middle, then you will slide it back. Okay. Then here's the adjustable support column for the vehicle. You can see this is you can adjustable height, and there is a secure ring. Once you put it to the appropriate height, then you can use the ring to fix it. And we have this connectable bridge. You can use the screw, the flathead screw, to secure it with the adjustable column. So the bridge will be more stable. And this multifunctional board, we just put it over here, and you can hook various accessories on the slot. Also put the lamp rack on the screw hole over here. We have also included the foam mattress. It's self-inflatable. You just open this valve. The air will automatically get sucked in, and the mat will open by itself. But for the pillows, there is two openings. The first opening is let all the airs out. You need to close the first opening, and for the second opening, you just breathe in the air, then the pillow will inflate. And once the mat is full, you close the valve, and you will be good to go. We can put it into the car now. Now we are going to assemble the bed platform into the car, and you can see here is many components. Because this unit is quite heavy, so we're gonna take this separately into the car. This is the main frame, this is the bed sled, and this is the multi-functional board. So we take this first. If you are a girl, then it's recommended you carry it with the two people. Sometimes there is a trunk lips preventing the drawer from sliding out. We have included this EVA format in the package. You can place underneath it and raise the bed platform over the lips so it can slide out. Then we take this strap. You can see here's the anchor point for the SUV. Then we have this straps. First, you hook it here. Then you put the strap through the ring. Then through another ring. And here is another straps. You hook on another anchor point. The ratchet, here's a switch. You can press here. And here's the inner slot. Sometimes the slot is not in the correct position. You can wiggle it to the correct position. Then you slide in the straps. You may need to adjust the bed a little to make it more secure. We're just gonna do 80% secure at this point, then we will adjust it later. So here is another straps. We hook it on the other anchor point. Then through another ring. Another ring over here. here. Fix at this point. And if you want to lose the straps, you simply just press here and open 180-degree wide, and you pull. Then the strap will become loose. Okay, now we can take the bed sled. Put it here. Then we take these adjustable support rod. Okay, you come here to see. This support column is a adjustable height, and there is a fixing ring over here. So if you make it to the height you want, you just use the yellow ring to fix the height. Like this. Then we adjust to the appropriate height. Pull out the this is once you did it the first time. The second time you just so now we have set the support column to the appropriate height. If your car has a very high back seat and there is just not enough space to put this leg underneath the frame, you can remove the support leg underneath the wooden frame, so the body will be slightly lower, and this way you can put the support frame directly on the back seat. Once we have set the pulling rod to the and support rod to the appropriate position, we can connect the bed sled and laid it out. And this bed sled and the pulling rod is adjustable length. For example, you just bring it like this, and this can also go like this. So it's adjustable length. Once we have laid out the bed sled, we have included 4 Velcros. You use the Velcros to secure the bed sled with the support leg underneath it. This way the bed will be secured. And this is a self-inflatable mat. When you open the valve, this mat will automatically fill the air by itself. And the pillows, you just there's two covers. The first cover, when you open, you will let all the air out, and the second cover, you just blow it, then the pillow will inflate it. Okay. And if you want to roll out the sleeping mat, you just open the valve and roll it, the air will come out. Now we're just gonna put this. Also, we have included this headrest hook. If you want extra stability for your head, click here and adjust the position, and this will provide more support for the head position. Depends on the trunk space, you may need to adjust the position of your bed platform. You can loosen it up a little bit to make it more straight. We also have this board. We also have included a support rod for the drawer, like this. There is a screw at the bottom. You can screw it and make the rod adjustable height, so it's more rigid, like this way.